let me start with the goodwill question, then you go to whatever you want to discuss later. Yeah. So goodwill about a year now say it's still in the system. Papa goodwill.
Oh, boys, Madasi, you see, the so-called goodwill was a mirage. There wasn't any goodwill. The people themselves deceived. Ghana food deceive who? Ghana food, they deceived themselves. They were hypnotized. They were hallucinated. There wasn't any goodwill. Because, boys, I mean, or when a Ghana ni biara and any other home. No, you made that as a man coffin walker won't do me yet. Inti, a G to me that war baby, you were only denying yourself from the reality, and now you are facing the reality. So there wasn't any goodwill. Me, that is how I see it. I'm a goodwiller. There, a gun in ya, it to me, G to me there. Wabra Bono Uncle, Mahaman or Boss Obama. I don't have a goodwill. Not and where when you want the hop. No one asks. No, reality, no, if you start to hate to. Nasanya them not here. If a government had a goodwill, it covers more than a year. Because Uncle Fubenya Chizu will be there, oh, Wabaye. Nay, you know, this idol, this is your being, hey, I dare Yakofa by Henry. So there wasn't any goodwill to me. Mahama himself knew that his time will come to this abrupt end. Because as I'm now, or can only mean or can going to be. Now, boys. Lay your man another lubu manano. Onya to them a gun of your hardware no. Or your nyansa mad papa. Nyansa, ntasi ntoboase na botal. Ata wo for electricity. Kanzia, water, nsu, school fees. Oyaja nyimpe biara obetana brabo ho. Ina nyo bia so na obenye sika da ya dem aden. Nti say ya ban na dwene nyimpa no ho a, you subsidize these areas. Ode disika shem amanyimpa wontum no wenya abodwi na ho ofan akomatoyem wo no. Nti Akufo Addo ni nyansem no ohunu de ada wo fa na bet 11 no onyo bia na sabi obakan. Nti instead de medi taxes medi bogu nsu kanzia na school fees no memfa nkogu ho na ho no ho a wo pe na wo bokọ ho na ya ye nka kankra ina Ghana nya otine kwase auto electricity 10 cedis also we ko twa bet 10 ofa na 1 cedi we ndinti no gbefu ono we ko twa bet 1 cedi we ndi nti no gbefu nti ndi ka chende da bu bet kakra na edina woji mu kakra anade endini nti a waso wo tax no for no we bufu kokoto abafetie nti mahama okache na onu da oba obeden obeye fi ho ma wakoma to wiem ina we ye fi ho na fi we ye fi wan fi wada abatu nsuru da lutulusu nti sisi awanya de for kakraba for baji kasen esemepe kakraba wode be ka jikase ina wode kase na abo afi lusu na ntitina Ghana ho na wadwun da Akufo Addo nti binya dinama
Baba Marcus, what kind of simple idea? No, because where the kakrabaji kase where the edos do na. Uko yi ska 7%. Abanji 7% or ska or withdraw amu.
Yeah, because why say Ghana for example ama I don't why easy ama Mahama because you know in economics we friend services with inelastic demand. Echumu tan boko into say what's hana na yemfa tax into reader. So be it. Because echumu tabe use electricity. Nemo mami ametine hey me pay bet. Into monko into some man me shamo hondo na monko to bet na. Abanolo ntumi njime sika abano bokwa ka fasika wo be bi na fi odaye nti Akufo Addo na didai onyi bi no bre bagana fu ni nyitima manyimpa na msema na ono onyi time ole bodwunu ho nti sagana fu ni pe ya so be it munji ina ofa no so mji wadoa nti se bohwe no school fees no Ghana fu no rutia but where you betting tax na fi ho Now who Ghana nye kwa chapel. It will be your argument in favor of birth. Inja wo dey Christian yi papa. Obia te ye bebrebe a ye Muslims na ye Christian for ye gu Ghana. Na som na nkyere na man hen kwan da ye kwatwa birth. Ye tu ye bufu birth. Ye ba nkofo na ye gu Ghana. Achena ye pe birth pa o. Ye pe birth. Enti saka wo mahama ohun da pe birth no. No se ye yifo nkofo na ye ba dada. Na fi water mo electricity. E would have really come. It's you muta botia. Kilentia botia. Because I'm not in you. What about ya? It's a mamma away crasia and it 1 million hours. Bombarding up Bawabos in the Chumuta botia because Kilentia no have no uncle Visca. None of the do. Kilentia none of the do. On the Yama pedo ya wabra bonum, Siko in here no yaw electricity na olko to biamo, eboa, echumutebotia. Na ye tiano, na ye dishanum, nyansa na dwene there next time, blow mon kwano on that down. Echumutan botia. Some mamas can tell the echumutebotia. And to you, Tina, Momo say, Mom betting tax na video why you soon. And I bought 1 million and we are suffocating. Damunga said, when you can Ghana, you have it.
Who say, I do next week, no, me call Accra.
Yeah.
Na Accra, me call no. I do not dream. Because I'm thinking, say, Accra, me light area ejumadi. That's the only thing I'm thinking about. Don't so.
Oh, guys. In paying for Danu na me catch the Ghana you today. Akwesi ampofa J. Owanwimbi meje jame ho. Aya wonte bi. Na wo fan dan asam mpanyin pa na opia asam. Ni nyina oya wonte. Nyansa wom. Iye yuta. Na reka take decision a. Dweno ho ebiene ba sa na nan. Don't think that you see and some bi oya wakekampo oya mobodofo no. Rekoyi aba, rekoto aba ma obi ni papa ko pedwuma man. Is that your thinking? Rekoto aba yi obi ni papa. Rekoto aba ma obi ni papa so aba punish you.
Sembe kwede. Is it?
It is
true.
Don't take advantage in the fact that you are supposed to vote, so you will dilly-dally. You will make it a non-issue and think that you are too important to be sensitive about who leads your country. One day, the Martin Away, now you should be interested in who leads your country because Obini Papa, Obotumu Wabra Bonum Ajekaka, Obini Papa Subotumu Wama, and I'm sure that Nessa, I'm sure about Bonakotu you are becoming a subtle prostitute. You are becoming a subtle prostitute.
But I told you when I was saying people thought I was lying.
Yeah,
I was saying that.
You are gradually becoming a subtle prostitute. Within the last year, I'm sure about 2 or 3 men would have gone down with you. Is that your decision? The decision not to be sensitive about who leads your country is leading to that. About one time, no careful. Now, twice the last one, I'm a brother symbol. The NDC, the same NDC, what my task there, are there often exogenous variables do not affect any performance of any head of state. Amembu biara ruba yewo internal factors, not external factors. Internal factors, they are within your control that you can easily control. For example, when you determine how much your people must pay tax, or your decision. But when there's an imported inflation as a result of high prices of crude, there's nothing you can do. But Mr. Muhammad Mayeta there, say Ukraine, Warokun, no will produce oil by Russia. Na se prices of Kosura. On for Ghana ni biara no ho. On for president no ho. And that argument was sound yesterday. It should be sound today. So that consistency will help all of us to understand the issues. You will find that Iran have been attacked by Israel and US. They will retaliate. And some of these things can lead to increase in crude oil prices. Yampede, in fact, ye dinka ya catch Mr. Muhammad, Yampeda Baba catcher and there. Baby Israel for all of a sudden Israel wabaya to the cast, what my that way or no affect Ghanaians. Yes, sir. No. We should respect the people. The argument that led the day now what to call Kotwa, but let's uphold that argument. Israel na Iran, no when you walk, yeah, Ghana from your 10-year baby. The kenke prices, no, on the number of them. Mamon to petrol, yes, no, because had that way, we don't have any link, yes, on Faradi, on Kanokar, on Char, no, we be general Wakache and there. You could not work when you ran, and all of a sudden, why am Ghana for your own chair? Yes, Rano, Yapanicho. Yapanicho, Mamma Baka the Massam, Tiedin Kaya, come a Ghana fire away. Or Baka the Massam, not more in June. On Yanokar. Voice
Medasi. Just to add to that before IQ comes in, the distance between Ukraine, okay, and Ghana, 8,714 kilometers. The distance between Ukraine and Ghana, 8,714 kilometers. Now the distance between Iran and Ghana, 9,331 kilometers. Distance between Iran and Ghana, 9,331 kilometers. So if 8,000 kilometers, we say Ukraine, it doesn't have any effect. And 9,000 crowd.
9,000 certainly will never affect us.
Yes, exactly. Thank you so much, Uncle Marcus. IQ, I carry come in. IQ,
yeah, bro. Yeah, me that say. That electricity issue, no. A very, very big issue because one, when him say, I was listening to one of the young girl now all say. We are school, and then for 5 years, the businesses was work with they were swinging the pamos at the end. Even lighting power they buy in Wunya, and then Okasaya might be crab a NPP for say, woman you will be a creative beam there. I think I say Colano, young girls and any you to know. I think the woman lose interest. I won't pay you for them because one, when there, woman said they need to cut that. Into the beginning, I said, almost individuals will be at an apartment and with him. Into the woman, I say, Womukuta economy, it is a name of our son with your mom, even though won't come out will be sick. Let's say, Wayana Guma, Kakaka Krabi, what you mean, what are you okay? But the attorney say, and no light now, or no, or the bayan near Makakran, and also I know where increasing. Nemo, Sawkotna radio station, Sawo Katama, Abana. And then you come up say, I was out ton of bulk. I was out tonic kese. Now even Nipan Wonisika no wakotoka krebi no better tonic kese. So in some of the comments you all make here a person nipa off. So ye bibi obeya would be buana a super take a crama woman. But I say, oh yeah, what means say, I mean and tonic kese. Now will be a bit me a tonic kese. I say, oh person go for off. Wrong. Debia Mahama Ba and I say NDC for
a solution no because I buy no less than 500 Ghana cedis. Yes, solution no.
And you know you just would say MPP for a yana do baby yame ya say yana NDC for me Ghana for me to Obama NDC because even crowd almost post Johnny the woman see say solution a problem be bar the woman see Casano ayana ahomete so as a MPP for year be beyond the man called Fuens, you draw about no more MPP for Western chain, which is very, very sad. So, yes, because we share and go for a beginning, one who buy MPP for. Nature now share evenings rounds BBC. The problem pass all money Ghana for Becassan of Run and no cry a shame cry. But then the corner bar, one more Timmy Kata anyhow. And then I will be our no take our 500 as I'm going for 200. Because no grass, there be our cocoton to our tongues and Cababo, but can anyone? So, woman call for a deal, I'll just find a solution. Other and I wouldn't be being powder can one too. So, Coco India. Now I come back Gina Hotel. I mean, who is any pious stupid? Say, who called Gina baby? Now can't say, even the MPP for no buy and crown, the no Mutriano, and they are better swam until ye. Until Genesa, which I was thinking a pan and it. So because obi ani me say 3,000 is more than 2,000. And if there wouldn't be now say you don't need to go there. Just leave it like that. But also I can be busy. One won't say 3,000 more than 2,000. So they always pay people's off say or be can no agya to me say no be so defend it. I mean won nipa ho. So we nipa ho a ye wo kwa efa so kasa kire nipa ma nipa koma ba fom. Ye nhye da bufuo. So ba omo no sankofo da MPP for Ghana for be kwa akoto aba mo which is na ya. Say nipa no oni bi na kakra na nso wo no you say who are taking out from them. Now we refuse to say wo no what in is sika so no what sounds why then increasing electricity bill. So who say wo money 2,000 na enunti no enema so enema bo so ate na wan na wi aso ye adwuma won pechika obi aye adwuma so obenya profit it is obey wo be ka kire ne say wo wonye 2,000 so ne fair ne lorry fair no yatum mi wa ya sa to ne nsuo mu wo de wo take e-levy off wo de d-levy aba so what's the point say yenye wo de anini so maintain because wo se wo be yi we afro if wo mo bakro mo say enya de wo beto to tax wo mo beto to niamam but they will find the means e kwa mba fa so ombe create ombe nya revenue se be ya yenye de nto wo yi levy afro wo mo ba de na ekoso wo se oman no eniam ekoyie but you say increasing things so but ya na ya me ya say Ghana for to abama wo mo minu ameduma no besia because wa hwe a utikura ba ya wo ya
me da say IQ yo Papa Nova good evening.
Evening, sir.
Gabo Kodia.
Radia Dumo.
Yo, can come?
I swear.
Egusu.
The Yanku Pansi.
Yo.
Kakra, Mr. Mediba Sosu, ni say, Amamuno. The one thing here, who to aba, Amubia Abidi, Abeyo Mampenino, Abi na Pam for no Mobumino. Atinitin nneoma wo oman no no se wan dwene ankwa akiri pa na utu aba ewia uye dede na okoto aba no ye oye dede edi nachi so ba na nneoma e wose ka oya wonya wonko a wosunti na woto aba no obusuafo se unyan wo ma o papa ne wo maame mu nyina nti e na woto aba no do omo so atubi a ye wo so nti na omo so koto ye so na ye tenase na ye hwe politicians e kwan omo fa so ye campaign ene nneoma bia omo ya dwene ho a wo sa dwene ho bi if we say Ghana no yenyina wo Ghana asasi so na campaign 2024 election proud to 2024 election NDC forecast NPP for a disca mo wiwi scan ya de fine Ghana ni bia na adwene emudo na adwene ye adwuma obia wa adwene o obia adwene ye adwuma but one fa wadwene so anya adwuma adwene no enya adwuma won enti adwene wo bia tirim no ye adwuma enti na kai ba wo sa kai ba no wagina wa maka atwama ye adwuma no emmom se one fa wadwene no so anya adwuma wadwene no enya adwuma e wo baabi so na obeka se aban bi mu nipa diska omo wieska na mnu aba ko ka se madam Cecilia Adapa asemi fine waki kansema ebi wa betu kurese MPP for no mokodo $2 a good polytank masa polytank ni ebi 30,000 liters 30,000 liters polytanks won ma and as American dollars ni na no masisa be gumu no but nipa bi tenase gidie fast forward and this winning power no. Now there are people who are in court omoni omano enya because your dear Juma show monsano Mama Ghana sika de mo na form nsase a mo gina court but NDC abai ba say that cases ni nyina no on to aso biem on to cases ni so biem na oni adaje sorry oni adaje ntimi a memete ase no se wo campaign wo se NPP phobia feska batuba sika kro ya so na e friend say ebi musu gina ho wo court wi na wo se onto asa case ni so biem na abanda da no mu nipa de wakofo de o makokota me hu seriousness sauti ase
yeah
so
yeah
intermediate the we NPP na de oman adwuma hye won sa na mouse ka se fa koye adwuma na sorry fa koye sauti ase na emboa timamufo